Today we're going to talk with Erin Hendren again, and this time we're going to learn some simple exercises that you can do anywhere. So what are some simple exercises that we could do?
There are a lot of simple exercises we can do. So we're going to start with a plank. And to make it easier, we're going to use the chair. So go ahead and put your hands on here, and you're just going to hold like you're going to do a thing, and just hold it and just hold. Now put your knees on the floor, and then stand back up. And then do it again. Every time you get lower, and you do this, your body's getting used to your own body weight, and then eventually you're going to be able to do a push-up. So okay, one more time. Good. See, now that was actually even better still. Now the other thing you could do is you can actually bring your bottom out. This is what they call girls push-ups. So your bottoms can roll almost like a jackknife and do a push-up, and then back up. Good. Now that's all you need to do right there. Okay, so we just finished with the push-ups. Now we're going to go into our next exercise, which is going to be the squats. So in the ideal of the squats is you're going to bend your legs down, keeping your torso up, right, straight as possible. Your legs, you want to be flat parallel to the floor. If you're concerned about your balance going to tip over, use a chair. Put your hand on one of the arms of the chair and go down as low as you possibly can. Try it and then back up again, right? Ideally, and breathing is very important too. So you breathe in as you go down. Breathe in, go ahead and try it. Breathing in and breathe out as you come up. You always want to breathe out the direction as you're exerting your energy. Good. So you breathe in all the way down and try to get as low as you possibly can. Okay, we just finished with squats. We're going to do another exercise using the chair, and we're going to do tricep extensions. So let's start by first facing the opposite direction of the chair. Put your hands on the chair arms. It's like doing the squat again, but this time you don't want your bottom to touch this cushion. Just go all the way down as low as you can. Good. Breathe out as you come up. Breathe in as you go down. Breathe out as you come up. Perfect. Our next exercise we're going to try is the sit-up, or what I like to call mini crunches. Alright, so when you start off the mini crunches, you want to put your legs at 45-degree angles, just like you have. And ideally, what I don't want you to do is put your hands behind your head, because that strains your neck. So right hand, just where you have your hands is perfect. And just bring your torso up as just a little bit. Perfect. And breathe out as you go. Breathe out as you come up. Breathe in as you go back. And then try and get a little bit higher each time. But that's all you need to do. Okay, so we just did the mini crunches. We're going to do another kind of a core exercise. So going back to where Natalie's at right now, once you actually sit up, put your hands behind you like you're going to support yourself. Now extend your legs straight out and bring them straight to your chest. There you go. Back out, back in. These are called in and outs. Eventually, as you get stronger, you can go down with, put your hands down and come up at the same time. Perfect, just like that. Okay, so we just did some exercises that are very simple, things that you can do without any type of exercise equipment. Let's try something that we can do with something as simple as a water bottle. Okay, so we're going to do some bicep curls with the water bottle that you have right now. So as you want to have your arm pinched into your elbow, or to the side as best you can so it's flat. And then extend down and back up. And that's perfect. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Ideally, you don't want to ever extend all the way, and you want to come up just wrist above your elbow. And you never want to go extend all the way, because you don't want your body to learn to hyperextend itself, and it will do that. So let's go ahead now. Let's do a shoulder press. Just bring your arms straight up, and then press up. Good, and just come back down. Perfect. Breathe out as you push up. Perfect. That works the top of your shoulders. Now we'll do a rotator cuff. This is another one of the most common injuries. Okay, so you're just going to rotate the arm, and you're going to flatten your shoulder a little bit more. Perfect. Back and then forward. Breathe out as you go back. Good. Now let's try a forward lateral extension. Just bring the water ball down. Bring it up just past your shoulder, a little bit higher. Good. Back down and then out to the side. Good. Now let's try it, and then one more time to the front. That would be good. Okay. So let's do a tricep extension. Take the water ball behind your head and extend it straight up and then back down. Perfect. These are really simple exercises you do. I could probably do maybe 3 to 5 different sets of 12 different reps. So you each time do 15 times and do that 3 times, and then do both sides.
So all of these were simple exercises that you can do anywhere for no cost.